Alright, so hi guys. So I want to do another example involving how to graph a linear inequality in standard form. So this time I just want to go ahead and do this, I guess this is an easier problem. So we have 2x plus y is less than or equal to 4. So notice this time, guys, that it actually has a less than or equal to, and this is going to be a solid line and not a dashed line. So this is going to kind of be like a linear equation, but I guess in terms of, the similarity would be it would have a solid line. But we're just going to go ahead and so we're going to solve for y here. So to solve for y, we're going to subtract 2x on both sides, and then this is going to give us y is less than or equal to 2x, 4 minus 2x, right? So, and this time I'm not gonna really mess up my answer, because, I know in the last video I kind of messed it up a little bit with the inequality symbol, but we can see here that this is what this is, and we have, so y is less than or equal to 4 minus 2x. The way we can say this, we know that if I have a minus b, this is the same as negative b plus a. So this can be rewritten as y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So we can go ahead and graph this. So our y-intercept is 4. So we're going to put that in here. So we have 4 as our y-intercept, right? And then we have our slope our slope is going to be negative 2. So our slope is negative 2. So we're going to go down 2. So down 2 to the right 1 unit. And then down 2 to the right 1 unit. And then again, down 2 to the right 1 unit. Okay, and then again, down 2 to the right 1 unit. So you want to make sure you try and go all the way, and then down 2 to the right 1 unit. And then I believe that'll be it for that. So now we're just gonna, let me just erase these here. And this time now we're just gonna go up 2 to the right 1, to the left 1 unit. So this time we're gonna go 1, 2 to the left 1 unit, and then that'll be it for that. So now our goal here is to we're gonna just draw a solid line. And actually here, give me a second, everybody, hold on. Okay guys, sorry, I just changed the color of it. So now we're just gonna draw a straight line through the points. And it doesn't have to be drawn perfectly, guys, as long as it's pretty close. Something like this. So yeah, something like that, right? It's not drawn perfectly, but it's something like this. And so now we want to know where to actually shade. So you want to test, so test a point to know which side to shade. So here, let's go ahead and pick a point. Let's pick negative. Let's first do a point on the right. So let's pick 4, 1 here. So let's pick 4, 1. So we want to test 4, 1. So y equals 1 x equals 4. So test inequality. So now we have y less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4, right? So, and so what we're going to do is we're going to say is 4, is 1 less than or equal to negative 2 times times 4, excuse me, plus 4. So is this true, basically? So we would say 1 less than or equal to negative 8 plus 4. 1 is less than or equal to negative 4. This is not true. So not true. So don't shade. Do not shade. Do not shade on the left side or on the right side. So the other choice is to actually shade on the left, right? So shade other side. So therefore, we would shade this way. So we're just going to go ahead and do this, right? So let's go ahead and just shade to the left of the line that we just graphed, right? So that is how we would graph this inequality, guys. I do apologize if it takes me a minute, but that is going to be how we do this problem. And again, I hope this video helps. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank you all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.